Yep, that's him. 12 years old, totally normal, kinda. But when night falls, he becomes someone else. Agent Shadow. In the alleys, where no one dares to go, he moved like a whisper. One moment, he's stuck in class. The next, he's chasing danger on rooftops. Math problems can wait. There's a mission on the line. By the time the city sleeps, Pablo's already saved it. And no one even knows. Looks like a regular smartwatch. Wrong. It tracks heat signatures, intercepts frequencies. He built this himself, out of a bike lock and old Nerf gun. It saved his life last Tuesday. To everyone else, this is just home. To Pablo, it's the first thing he swore to protect. At night, the city glows, but in the shadows, danger waits. And so does he. Forget treehouses, Pablo's hideouts behind his closet door. Monitors, gadgets, blueprints. But every hero has a shadow. But what if the shadow becomes the threat? Keep watching.